All right, good afternoon. Today is Monday, January 22nd, 2024. We're here at Lone Star Bucket Trucks in North Fort Worth, Texas, shooting a quick video of our 2008 Ford F550 bucket truck. This truck has a Duralift, articulated, telescopic, and insulated boom with a 45-foot working height. Has 92,000 miles on it. It's powered by a Power Stroke turbo diesel. Has an automatic transmission. Nice truck all the way around. I'm going to walk around it with you on video, and then we'll start it up and operate the boom. Just shooting the video to show the cosmetics of it and the operation of it. Front of the truck here, grill, headlight, buckets, front bumper, hood, and windshield are all in good shape. The truck is wet. It's been raining here. I'm sure that there are some small little dings in the hood, but I do not see anything. It'd be pretty rare to have a bucket truck that didn't have any dings on it at all. But coming around the passenger side here, fender's in good shape. Front tires, about 70% or so. They're in good shape. Does have the step bar down here. Truck has 4 outriggers, so it's very, very stable. Boom's all in good shape. We do have a enclosed bucket on the way for it. The previous owner of this truck was using it for fiber optic and coax, and the walk-in bucket was a little easier to deal with. But we do have an enclosed bucket and liner that we're going to put on it, and we're including at the same price. Platform style bumper with steps here on the passenger side. Fiberglass utility bed, so you don't have any rust issues, obviously. The truck doesn't have any rust on it to begin with anyway, but diamond plate style rear bumper, receiver hitch down here with electric brake hookup. The levers here on the left side are for your front and rear outriggers. On the right side, it's the selector switch and the outrigger controls as well. Coming around the driver's side, really nothing notable damage-wise. Truck's pretty clean for what it is. Let me show you the interior. Bench style seat in good shape. Truck does have power windows and door locks, power mirrors as well. Does have air conditioning. Nice clean truck. Does have a little crack here in the lens for the gauge cluster, but purely cosmetic. I'm gonna start the truck up real quick. 92,880 on the miles. Gonna push the e-brake here and engage our PTO. And then I'll go set the phone down and we'll operate the hydraulics. Motor sounds great. The truck really drives well. Alright, boom speed's good in all the different functions. It does have a pistol grip style control up in the bucket. Outriggers work great. There's no leaks of any kind. We'll take it for a quick drive real quick. It is about 30 degrees here, and we just pulled the truck out of the shop, so it's probably just now getting up to any, well, it hadn't even gotten to operating temperature yet, but get to see how she runs when she's cold. All right. Truck really does run very well. I've got a couple of speed bumps to go over here, 3 of them actually in our industrial park. We'll get it up to speed out on the road. It does have a airbag light on showing. We'll scan it. I just noticed that a lot of times that's related to, believe it or not, the seat belts. But we will get that checked. But no warning lights on engine or powertrain or anything. No check engine light. Temperature gauge is just starting to move a little bit. But the truck, even in cold weather, starts up great, idles smooth. Just really runs great. Get the heater going a little bit. We're going to pull out onto the main road here and get it up to speed. Okay, accelerating about 25% throttle. Don't like to dog on them when they're cold. Get to operating temperature a little bit. Still shifting great. Steering wheel is slightly off center, but it's not pulling or anything. Just slightly off center when she's going straight. Up to almost 50 there. We're going to hang her right up here. Brakes feel good, no shake or anything. The flicker you're seeing there in the odometer is not something that's happening live time. It's just something that happens with digital cameras. Not sure why. You know, take a look at the video and let us know if you have any questions or concerns. I seriously doubt there's anything about the truck that would be disappointing. It is extremely clean for its age, and being a 45-footer with outriggers, very stable truck. Just about the most reach as you can get in this size truck. So a lot of truck for the money. So take a look at the video. My name is Scott. You can reach me at 972-765-7819. Coming up on a school zone here. I've got to slow down a little bit. Turn around and head back the other way. Heater feels great on this cold day. We do offer discounted shipping to anywhere in the country and can usually get it done faster and cheaper than just about anybody. So if you have any questions or need a shipping quote, just give us a call. We just need your zip code to get a shipping quote, and we'll get right back to you with what it costs. So if you see anything in the video you'd like, you have questions about, or you'd like to see more pictures of or videos, just give us a call and let us know. Thank you very much. Have a great day.